So this week's hot new product comes courtesy of the guys at Toyo tires, and what you're looking at is the Proxes AS Sport. This is designed to be an ultra high performance all season that's going to give you the best of wet and dry performance, and it's designed for sport coupes, sedans, and some sport crossovers and SUVs as well. Let's talk about this thing. So the first thing you're going to notice is the asymmetric tread design all the way across the tire. This is designed with rain wicking in mind, and like I said before, to get the most of the dry and the wet performance. There's a lot on this tire that's designed for performance in the wet, so let's talk about that really quick. First thing you'll see is these 4 ultra wide channels. That's for proper rain evacuation and water evacuation no matter how wet it gets. Additionally, the inside tread here has state-of-the-art rain evacuation channels as well, so that's going to keep you from hydroplaning as much as possible and really allow you to push this thing in the corners even in the wet. You'll also see the 3 center ribs. These are for straight line stability. These also ensure that the maximum amount of contact patch remains on the road while cornering. And in the larger sizes, this is only a 225, but these go all the way up to 325. And once you get to a certain width, the center rib is actually split down the middle for improved rain evacuation, just to avoid that hydroplaning that you'd get with a much wider tire in the water as well. Now, it's not all about driving in the wet. There's also a lot here for your regular everyday performance. One thing, if you look really closely, you'll see the dynamic tapered edges on some of these grooves here, as well as the large lateral and angled grooves side by side. This gives you increased bite in the dry and reduces block deformation for a more positive contact patch and less chance of deforming the tire and getting irregular wear over its lifespan. That's a really nice touch, so if you're putting the miles on your SUV or your sport sedan, you definitely appreciate something like that. As with most sport tires, you'll notice the large outer blocks and inner blocks, and these again are designed to reduce deformation and to get maximum bite and contact patch on the inside and outside of the tire. This reduces the irregular wear again. Last but not least, these are built with a durable construction, which includes high tensile steel belts and jointless cap plies, which ensure the integrity of the tire for more responsive performance and excellent stability, especially at highway speeds. And a high hardness bead filler ensures a solid seat to the rim for excellent handling and stability, which we're going to see more of as Rich gets these installed, because these are going to be stretched a certain amount. So stay tuned for that on Rich's car. If you want to check out all the sizes available in the Sport AS, or you want to see other products that Toyo has to offer, be sure to visit toyotires.com and you can learn all about this tire and everything else they offer there.